Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off your iPhone. It sounds like quite a simple and basic thing, something that you should be able to do pretty easily, right? But over the years, this has actually changed how you would go about actually turning off your iPhone. It has adapted and adjusted and changed with the latest iOS updates. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to do this on the latest iOS as of late 2025, early 2026. And I'm going to be showing you on my iPhone 15 Pro. It will work for 16, 16 Pro, and of course 17 and 17 Pro. I cannot confirm if it will work on anything lower. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone. Like I said, this is the 15 Pro, but it will work on 16, 16 Pro, 17, 17 Pro. Now, there's two different ways that you can approach this. The first one is to use the software, which is the iOS itself. Right now, if you go into the top right-hand corner and just drag this down, you will see that they've got all of these different options, right? Now, in the very top right-hand corner, you can see a little power button. Now, if you were to just click it once, it's not going to do anything. What you have to do is hold that down for just a couple of seconds, and it will come up with a new screen where you can slide to basically power down your iPhone. That's the first method. The second method is actually to use the power button and the plus button on the volume side. So on the side of your iPhone, just over here, you have your plus button, and then on the other side, you have your power button. Okay. So what you would do is you would hold both of these at the same time, hold them both for a few seconds, and what will happen is you'll get that power down screen. Now I can't show you on the screen recording of that because ultimately what it will do is basically stop my screen recording. But if you hold those two buttons down, it will basically give you the ability to then just slide across and shut down your iPhone. And that is really it, guys. There are two easy ways to essentially power down and turn off your iPhone. Whether you are running an older device with the latest iOS or even a brand new device, that is essentially the easiest way to basically turn off your iPhone. Personally, I just hold down the power button and the plus button for a couple of seconds and then just slide it to power down. But it's good to know that there's also a built-in option directly into the actual firmware, the iOS itself, just by swiping down in that top right-hand corner and holding that power button down for a couple of seconds. If this is found, if you have found this video useful, informative, make sure to hit that like button for me and subscribe for more hints and tips. I'll catch you all in the next one.